Hi everyone, welcome back to day 5 of 20-day basic JavaScript challenge. Today we are going to cover a fundamental concept in programming, calculating the length of a string. Understanding how to determine the length of a string is an essential skill for any JavaScript developer. Whether you are building web applications, working with data, or performing text processing tasks, knowing the length of a string is incredibly useful. So let's dive into the code. So I open my code editor and here you can see I already create index.html file, and in this file I write script tag. In this script tag I write our JavaScript functionality. So first we get the input from a user as a string. For that I use a prompt function. So here I write prompt, and in this function I write a message, enter a string value. After that, I store this string value into a variable. So here I write let string is equal to. Now our string will be stored in this string variable. After that, we calculate the length of a string. So next I create another variable with the name of length. Then what I can store in this length? I store the length of a string. So here I write string, and here I write dot length. This method give a length of the string, and it's stored in the length variable. After that, I show this answer to a user. So for that, I use a console.log method. And in this method, first I write a message, the length of string. Then use a plus sign to concatenate the string and this length variable value. So here I pass length and save the file and go to a browser. So first I cancel this and I inspect this page, go to a console, and now I reload the page, and here you can see it say enter a string. So here I pass a hello, and you can see hello have 5 character, HELLO. It's 5 character. I press on OK, and here you can see the length of a string is 5. You can see I successfully created a app which gave a length of our string. So again I check this. So I reload the page, and here I write honey web. So now I click on OK, and you can see it gave a 9. So let's count this honey character. So here I write honey and then web. So you can see this one is a 5 character, and this one is 3, and also it counts a space. So this one is 9 character, and here you can see it gave a length of our string. That's it for today's tutorial. We have successfully written a JavaScript program to calculate the length of a string entered by the user. Understanding how to work with strings and determine their length is a fundamental skill in programming. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.